Hello, my friends. Now, welcome back to my channel, Ritvi's Academy. And now, today we are going to cover that topic, scattering of light, that is from chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World, class 10. So, let's start. Now, scattering. What do you mean by scattering? Scattering, matlab, it is a फैल जाती है, the scattered होना, right? So, the same way we'll see that scattering of light means when the light gets scattering, when you can see the light is scattering, when you are able to see around you. The path of a beam of light passing through a true solution is not visible. Why? The particles, they are minutely small that you are not able to see the path of light. But if the particles are quite in that large enough, then you will able to see the path of light that will be visible through a colloidal solution. So, and then for this, the particle should be large enough to scatter the light. Now, Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect, what is that? That you must have done in grade 9. Few people have done the Tyndall effect and all when you have been seen the example of colloidal solution, when you were able to see the path of light. So when a beam of light strike the minute particles which are large enough to scatter the light, then suspended particles which are present in atmosphere like molecules of air, dust particles, other particles, so they will able to make the path of light visible. When you are able to see the path of light clearly visible, it will visible to you, then this phenomena of scattering of light that is done by colloidal particles, that will be Tyndall effect. This phenomena is Tyndall effect, and you must have seen example. Where you have seen the example? If you people are sitting in a dark room and there's some hole from where the light is coming inside, the sunlight is coming, you will see the path of light is visible to you, and the particles also on you also, you can see dust particle and all other particles, they are dancing. This is what? This is a Tyndall effect only. Or if you must have visited somewhere, if you have done it, I've never done it, but if you must have done somewhere, if you go for camping and something like that, if there is a dark forest and you can see canopy is so dark of the tree under which you are standing, you see in between the the space between the leaves and all, you are able to see the path of light. It can be visible. Color of sunrise and sunset. While sunset and sunrise, the color of sun and its surrounding appear red. So during sunset and sunrise, the sun is at horizon. How will you see the color of light? Have you? I hope everyone has experienced this thing. When the sun is about to rise and or about to set, whatever you say that, in both situations, the sun appears beautifully red in color, crimson red color. You can see that. But when it is overhead, in afternoon, then you see that it's white in color. So why there is a change in color? Kya sun apna color change kare? No, actually this is a observation done by us. So what happened during sunset and sunrise? Because what is happening here? The sun is very, very far from us. The sunlight has to travel a large distance to reach us, right? And because other color, they have a shorter wavelength, they will be scattered away. They are not able to reach to our eyes. Which color is able to reach our eyes? Red color. So that the sun appears red. Actually, वो red color का बना नहीं है. The same color it is having, but it is appearing to red because of large distance. And red color being having the longer wavelength, it is able to visible from a distance, and that's why it appears red. जब overhead होता है, जब आपके सर के ऊपर होता है in afternoon and all, why don't you see the red in color? Because the distance is small, the light are scattering in the same way, and that's why the whole we are able to see white light of sun. Application. Why the danger signal or sign is made of red color? Same reason. Why? Because danger signal should be seen from a distance. आप उसके पास जाके थोड़ा ना देखोगे यहाँ पे danger है. It should be visible. It should be experienced. It should be sensed from a distance. And because the red color being a longer wavelength, you can say color, it is visible from a distance, and that's why it is not affected by any other particles. It may affect it, but not much. And you can see from a distance. That's why they are made up of red in color. As I told you, the sun appears white. Why so? Because the distance is shorter. The sun appears white because only the blue or violet that colors are scattering, and overall the all lights are scattering the same way, and that's why you see the white in color. That is all depends on scattering. Sorry, my throat is little paining today. So now to understand this concept, we can just arrange a setup also. How does it happening? So what they have done, they have taken two convex lenses which are converging one. They have taken a you can say glass tank which is transparent, and they have filled it with a solution that we can see that is blue in color, and cardboard is there through which the some part of light rays are entering, and there is a screen. What is happening now? The white light is passing to the source. It is that sending the light in a parallel way. You have done in the last chapter, light chapter. So when the light are the parallel to each other, when you're seeing from a so you can say the distance is from the source of light till the thing, the distance is smaller. So what color is visible? That is blue in color, because the shorter wavelength can be visible. But as it will cover the longer distance, what will happen then? Then again, this convex lens is converging it to a point, and because the distance is much more from the source, initial source till the screen, and that's why the distance is more, so blue color is scattered away. It is not able to reach to this point. So what color is visible? That is red in color. So you will see the crimson red, the red color you will able to see over here. So it depends on the distance what they have to cover. Source light is white light, that is a combination of all seven color. But because when it has to cover shorter wavelength, then blue color is visible. When it has to cover the longer distance, the shorter wavelength colors, they will be scattered away, and only the red color being a long wavelength, that longer wavelength that will be visible to us. So this is what observation. As the sulfur colloidal particle begin to form, we observe that blue light starts appearing from three sides of tank. The same thing. And then what they have done, the scattering of short length by minute particles is visible. The blue color is visible in the tank. But as you have, it has to cover the longer distance, the fourth side of glass tank, facing the circular hole, it will be red in color. Because it demonstrates what the colloidal particle, they scattered the blue light initially maximum extent, but when it has to cover the longer distance, the blue light scattered away and the red light is able to reach the screen, which is visible to us. So that is only the scattering of light. Why do you see the color red color, white color, whatever the thing, and the scattering of light, right? I hope you understood. So one more thing, that why can't we see the color of atmosphere from, you can say from moon and all? Why so? Because all this happening because of the we can say the particles. The moon has atmosphere? Does moon have atmosphere? No, it doesn't have. And that's what is happening. There is a no particle, no scattering, and no color is visible. That's why the sky is completely black. But when we see from earth, atmosphere is there, particles are there, they're scattering the light, and we can see the beautiful color around us in nature. So this is what depends on that. You must have seen that this is also one thing that yeah, very fine particle, if we have, the scattered mainly blue light, the smaller, we can say the shorter wavelength. When there's a color, the particles are quite enough bigger, they can scatter the red color longer wavelength. And when they're large enough, they're so much large, as you can see the sun sky, the sky is white, and the distance is less, also that you can see the white color. So depends on the size of particles also, that what is that is visible. That is what all about scattering of light. Thank you so much. I hope you understand the topic. All the topic is quite easy. For more details, for more the queries or the topic, you may just message me in that comment box. Thank you so much. Keep supporting, keep liking, subscribing, and share with your friends also. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you soon with another chapter.